Hello, I am Agastya Desai from grade 6 and Rumita. My topic is on periodic sound clicking. Sound is a form of energy which produces hearing in our ear. Sound is a vibration which propagates acoustic sound wave. So, I made a model on periodic sound clicking. So look at one. Thank you.